Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add your own signature in Gmail. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to go to Gmail and then click on the three bar at the top left. Scroll down until you find Settings. Click on Settings and then scroll down until you find Signature Settings. Click on it and turn on the mobile signature. So here you will be able to type your own signature. Let's say I want to add my signature as Flow, and I can hit done when I'm finished. So right now, when you go back to it, you can use this signature for any kind of document that you want to sign. This is very helpful as you don't have to swipe or you don't have to sign manually with your own hand. And if you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.